Dear students, we have discussed in detail national income accounting and also the interrelationship between GNP, GDP, NNP, NDP, national income, personal income, etc. And while discussing national income accounting, we have stated that national income accounting is the framework required for developing Keynesian theory of income determination. While using this national income accounting framework for developing Keynesian models of income determination, we make some simplifying assumptions. That is, we will not consider all the interrelationships and all the complications associated with the national income accounting while using this accounting framework to study income determination using Keynesian tools. And we have discussed in detail the simplifications in the context of a two-sector model. Now, we discuss Keynesian theory of income determination in a three-sector model consisting of households, business firms, and government. Now, for developing the Keynesian model of income determination in a three-sector model, we make a few simplifying assumptions to the national income accounting identities. In this session, we will discuss what are the simplifications which we use in the context of national income accounting. The first simplification is foreign sector is omitted. Foreign sector is omitted. The first simplification, foreign sector is omitted. So we will not consider export and imports. We will not also consider the earnings of citizens, residents in the foreign countries and the earnings of foreigners in the domestic territory. In that case, GNP is equal to GDP. No distinction is made between GNP and GDP. A second is, while discussing investment expenditure on plant and machinery, etc., we consider three types of investment: business fixed investment, residential construction investment, and change in inventories. And in our analysis, we consider only business fixed investment and change in inventories. Residential construction investment is ignored. So, investment on plant and machinery plus change in inventories are considered. Residential construction ignored. Residential construction investment is ignored. A third simplification is we ignore depreciation. Depreciation is ignored. In that case, GNP is also equal to NNP. GNP is also equal to NNP because depreciation is ignored. And we ignore indirect taxes and other minor adjustments which causes discrepancy between GNP and national income. So, GNP as indirect taxes are ignored, NNB is also equal to national income. NNB is also equal to national income. So, GNP is equal to NNB. NNB is equal to national income. GNP is equal to GDP. Then GNP is also equal to NNB. NNB is equal to national income. Now, we make several simplifications to obtain the relationship between national income and personal income. There are some items which causes differences between national income and personal income. We assume that all the corporate profits will be paid out as dividends. We also assume that there are no corporate profit tax. There is no corporate, that means there are no retained profits. Also, there are no corporate profits. Also, we assume that there are no valuation adjustments. So, the entire profit is distributed. So, the entire profit form the income of the persons. We also assume that all taxes including social security contributions are assessed directly on households. All taxes are assessed directly on households. So, there is no corporate profit tax. All taxes are on individuals. Also, business transfer payments are ignored. Then, disposable personal income is equal to national income minus disposable personal income is equal to national income minus tax payments. I call this gross tax payments minus transfer TG plus transfer payments, not minus. So, disposable personal income is equal to national income minus gross tax plus transfer, or net tax T is equal to TG minus R. Gross tax minus transfer is net tax. So, I write disposable personal income using the notation YD is equal to Y minus T is equal to Y minus TG minus R is equal to Y minus TG plus R. Y minus TG minus R is equal to Y minus TG plus R. So, remember this, in the three-sector model, personal income is not a measure of national income because transfer payments are there in the personal income. So, how they are related? If you subtract from national income tax payments, gross tax payments, and if you add transfer payments, you will get disposable personal income, or simply disposable personal income, not a personal income, it is disposable personal income. And disposable personal income is written by using the notation y minus t, and t is net tax consisting of gross tax minus transfer payments. Now with these simplifications, we can write the following accounting identities in a three-sector economy. From the product side, y is equal to C plus IR plus G. From the product side, y is equal to C plus IR plus G. And as I told you earlier, IR is realized investment. From the income side, YD is equal to, disposable income is equal to y minus t is equal to C plus S, and C plus S, and y is equal to is C plus S plus t. So in a three-sector economy, C plus S plus t identically equal to y, identically equal to C plus IR plus G. The two measures of aggregate supply. One is C plus IR plus G from the product side. The other one is C plus S plus T from the income side. These are the accounting identities used for developing Keynesian three-sector model. And remember this, we make some simplifying assumptions to the actual accounting identities, components of national income, and these adjustments should be kept in mind.